Strong seams, zero compromise. Meet the longitudinal seam welder by Nikkit Engineers, the backbone of high-performance fabrication. In industries where strength and precision define success, the quality of your longitudinal welds can't be left to chance. Boilers, gas cylinders, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, they all rely on one thing: a flawless seam. Nikkit Engineers, a leader in welding automation and robotic solutions in India, delivers a solution built for this exact need. Our longitudinal seam welder is designed to handle roll-form flat sheets, strip materials, and cylindrical components, ensuring clean, airtight welds across every application. Whether you're working with structural pipe or pressure-rated vessels, this machine adapts to different material types and thicknesses with total accuracy. The heart of the machine is its precision clamping system, engineered to hold the workpiece steady and aligned, minimizing distortion and ensuring uniform pressure along the entire weld path. It supports both MIG pulse and TIG welding, giving you the flexibility to tailor the process to your job. MIG pulse offers deep penetration and faster travel speeds with low spatter, ideal for high-output production. TIG provides exact control and clean aesthetics, perfect for more critical, spec-heavy applications. Operators benefit from an intuitive control interface, programmable presets, and full automation compatibility, allowing seamless integration into robotic lines or standalone workstations. Every component is built for durability, consistency, and high-volume performance, from the torch movement and shielding systems to the guide rails and clamping fingers. This isn't just a welding machine, it's a commitment to quality. With decades of expertise, Nikkit Engineers deliver solutions that elevate production standards, improve efficiency, and reduce rework. We back our machines with expert support, service, and integration guidance, making it easy to upgrade your welding operations with confidence. Strong seams, zero compromise. Meet the longitudinal seam welder by Nikkit Engineers, the backbone of high-performance fabrication.